What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a solar power bank. This solar power bank is 45,800 milliamps. Why is that important? Well, it's important because it tells you how much it can charge, how long it can charge. If you get a power bank that's like 5,000 milliamps, then you're screwed, you guys. You're charging your phone probably like once. But with 45,000 milliamps, you pretty much charging a good amount of times before you have to recharge this. And so you don't have to plug in to recharge this. You can use natural resource to charge this, which is the sun. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Check out the design and everything. Time to unbox it. First thing that comes out, and they give you the instructions. Now, for the most part, I mean, you really don't need instructions. It's a power bank. But the good thing about the instructions, at least they'll tell you, the things you can do, things that you need to do. Basically, you have a light, which is awesome. All right. So take it out the bag. And voila. Oh, it smells. Dang, it smells good. Wow. I don't know why it smells good. You guys. It smells good. It has like a scent to it. I don't know. Might be me. All right, you guys. So first impression, it looks real good. You got your solar panels right here. Very nice. You have your little light indicators, and it lets you know like your power level, let you know that it's charging and all of that good stuff. Now, this is just like the other one that I reviewed. Basically, you have your rugged corners right here. Rubber corners, rugged. Well, they feel rubber. Yeah, I think they're rubber. So you have your corners here basically for drops. If it dropped, you're covered. All right, you have your cover right here for all of your ports. You have USB, USB type C. So there you go right there. All right. And then you have your regular drop downs for your charger. So you still have your lightning port. I know some people still have the older iPhones where you use your lightning port. You have your USB right here. So if you need to charge something with USB, you got it right there. And the most popular one, USB type C. Now let's go ahead and hit the power button. I just hit the power button. Okay, so we have the indicators right there, which I was talking about before. So it seems like we have full power, which is good. All right, and I'm gonna hold the power button, and then we have our light. I'm gonna hit the power button again. This is a strobe light. So strobe lights are good if you're pulled over, you're walking, hiking, biking, walking with your dog. Strobe lights are real good. All right, this is the purpose. Hit it again, and this is the one where it flashes a lot. So again, bikers use this. People that's hiking use it. I mainly seen people with bikes. People with bikes, they'll probably will rig this up to their bike, so that way they know that that way a car will know that a bike is there during the nighttime. Hit the power again and it turns off. All right. So another thing to note down, I know that we get these little solar chargers and people want these solar chargers to be like ultra solar panels, but this is a small solar panel, you guys. This is not like a super panel. So even right here, let's just read this little part right here so y'all know. It says the efficiency of solar charging depends on several factors. Sunlight intensity. So that's one main thing, you guys. If you have a lot of sunlight, then yes, your charger will charge faster. If you have cloudy days, your charger will charge slower. Solar panel size. All right. So that's what we was talking about, the size of the solar panel. We're dealing with small solar panels. Charging may be slower when obstructed by glass or during cloudy weather, just like we talked about. We recommend using a wired charger or power bank support fast charging and can be fully charged in just a few hours. And then it says 12 watts max when it's charging your power bank. So maybe if you're using something that's 30 watts, maybe it's overpowering it. Maybe it'll do harm to the bank. And as far as the flashlight says it's 1 watt, but we can check that out tonight. As y'all know, I'll go in the garage or I'll go out back and then I'll show y'all how much does it light up as far as my backyard goes, just in case y'all want to take it camping. We have the USB type C, and honestly, I don't know why these are small anymore. Okay, I don't know why. I have plenty of blocks, but it would be nice if companies start bringing blocks back on the scene, you guys. I mean, what does a block cost? You have like a little loop right there. So if you the type to put this on your keychain or put it on your belt hook or something like that, just slide that in and twist and then there you go. All right, put it on your keychain, put it on your belt, put it somewhere. All right, hang it up, do something. But these are very nice to have. Maybe you out, kids does football practice, soccer practice, stuff like that. They can leave it out in the sun, let it charge, let their phone charge. Everything will be charging at the same time. I love solar. I love wireless. I love solar. My whole channel is about solars, wireless, and all of that stuff. Smart house and all of that good stuff, you guys. I reviewed plenty of solar and smart stuff on this channel. So that will be it. I'm going to wait until the night shift, show y'all how bright the light is during the night shift. That way y'all can see if you will like it during camping and stuff like that. So I will use it in the backyard. And that will be all. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna test out the light for y'all with the solar power bank. I'm gonna hold the power button and I have it backwards. And here we go. So again, these things are good, you guys. Good for walking, hiking, and all of that good stuff. Camping. It shows a good amount of light in the backyard. Very good light. All right, and that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.